everybody, I know I just posted a video, but that's perfectly fine. I have a guest joining us today, my mama. Want to say hi?
Hi.
No, you don't want to be on camera. You guys aren't going to see her. Well, today we're having pickles fried with
Fried Cheeto pickles.
oh god. And we got some mozzarella with the same thing. We're going to see what tastes better. It with
Blue cheese
I don't like blue cheese.
and sour cream.
All right.
You ready?
And my drink is this because I don't really drink it much.
I'm going to take the broken one.
I'm going to take this one. So my mom cooked this. Thank you, Mommy.
I'm going to try with the blue cheese first.
Yeah. Is it good?
Sophie,
You're making this face.
it's to die for.
You're making this face. Stop.
It's so good. Which one did you try? It's good, huh?
Wow, that actually is good.
Mm-hmm.
The more you know.
It's not over spicy, but it's good. Which one
Yeah.
are you getting now?
That one.
Sour cream. Let me see sour cream. Mm-hmm. Definitely. I like sour cream and the blue ranch.
Now we know. Our opinion is both of these taste good.
Now, we have mozzarella.
I've tasted mozzarella before, but I've never tasted it with spicy.
Hot Cheetos.
I gotta be all perfect, just taking the spices out. Oh, that's spice thing. Alright, let's try it with this.
So good. It's good, Sophie. This is like a good thing for a tailgate party. Like for a football game.
Any party, really.
Mm-hmm. This was like the best idea to do this. And it's so good.
I'm gonna try it by itself. It's like filled with cheese. So yes, these are homemade. They're not bought from the store. We're not like that. I mean, yes, the pickles and everything else was bought, but they're cooked, okay?
Very easy recipe.
Really was. It was just, I think it was like an egg mix with something. It was egg mixed with what?
With flour and hot Cheetos.
Yeah, that's it. That was that whole recipe. Did it use milk?
A little bit of milk, just in the egg wash.
The egg wash contained a little bit of milk. We put some, of course, the hot Cheetos on a tray, and then some flour, and then that's it. We had this. So, big thumbs up
You
for me.
can use the fryer, and you also can use the air fryer.
What did we just use?
And a little bit of cayenne pepper.
We didn't use cayenne pepper because I was scared for
I
too
used
much.
it.
Ooh, ow.
It wasn't too bad. Is it spicy though? No, just a little bit.
It's not spicy at all.
I'm gonna definitely make this for parties.
I know. It's a good, like... I wouldn't be surprised if Latinos tried this. Latinos? Hispanic people.
Of course they eat this.
They're probably the ones who made it. We learned this recipe for a girl. I don't remember her name.
On you, TikTok.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So if you have TikTok, go ahead. Go get it. Just search up cooking recipes. You'll find amazing things. They're actually really weird though.
What's her name?
You guys might know her. She's really famous.
I don't know her
Oh
name.
no.
Oh, Tosh Point.
You want to show them?
Tosh Point Faux Eats. She makes like the best recipes.
I like her because she actually shows us how to make it. That's her. You might actually know her because I've seen her on YouTube on mukbangs. Like pretty much all of them.
I saw this was on TikTok.
She's on TikTok?
Yeah.
I've never seen it.
Well, she makes like the best food.
She does. The heck is that?
All right. You done with your video?
Bye guys. This is just a review, sorry.